everybody, it's Kenzy Knoxx and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a beautiful sunset seascape. So there'll be an ocean down here with a crashing wave and some trees in the background and a beautiful colorful sunset. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm working on a 14 by 17 mixed media paper that's been primed with gesso. I've added a few colors to my palette, including sky blue, brilliant purple, magenta, cadmium orange hue, medium magenta, titanium white, aqua green, turquoise blue, and burnt sienna. So you can add those right now or add them as we go. To begin off with, I'm going to spritz down my canvas with my water bottle. Just add a little water in there. I take my large, I'm going to work with my size 1-inch oval mop brush today. Just spread that out on the canvas. You don't want the canvas so wet that it's dripping, but you do want some moisture on there. I'm going to get my brush a little wet, tap off the drips, grab my sky blue, and just bring that in up on the top of the sky here. This is going to be extremely colorful and vibrant in color, so we're not adding that much white if we don't have to. So I'm going to bring that sky blue over to about here, and then we're going to dip it down. Let's start going down. Dip it down a little bit. Like that. And then I'm going to dip into some brilliant purple with my dirty brush. And just mix it in with the blue. Grab some more brilliant purple. Mix that in with the blue. Okay, bring it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it off a little bit. I don't want the blue creeping down into the magenta. So rinse off your brush. Grab your medium magenta with a little bit of titanium white. You can mix it up on your palette a little bit. It's gonna be under a purple here. Grab some more medium magenta into that color. We're gonna go back into this and fix it afterwards because we want that to be popping pink. So we want it to be perhaps neon pink, but we'll figure it out as we go. I'm gonna add some more medium magenta. Come down here. And then down here, I'm gonna skip a space and bring in that magenta again. And this is gonna be where our horizon is pretty much. Nope, actually I wanna grab some more medium magenta and fill this in. I'm gonna grab some more purple. Grab that purple over here, grab more purple. I want this to be purple. Rinse that out. We're gonna let that dry, and while that dries, we're gonna start in on our lower portion. So our skyline is probably gonna be right around here, actually. We're gonna bring that up slightly. So grab some turquoise and some aqua. Actually, let's grab more turquoise and aqua and bring that across. So I'm just gonna bring that across. It's slightly above the center point is where we wanna be, just slightly. Go into that turquoise, start bringing that in. And our land, we're gonna have land over here, so add a little more turquoise into that. Aqua. Bring that down. We're gonna grab some turquoise. And right about halfway between these 2 points, I'm just gonna draw in a little bit of a dark area. That's gonna come over and back down like this. So we're gonna grab that aqua and turquoise color. Grab more aqua. Bring that over. Something like this maybe. Get your brush a little wet if you need to. More aqua. Bring it over. More aqua. Bring that over here. Okay, so then we're gonna add some turquoise and some burnt sienna together. You're gonna get this darker color right here. That's the color we want. We're gonna bring that down here. Get some water on your brush if you need it. I'm gonna paint this in around here. So it's turquoise and burnt sienna. I'm gonna bring that over to here. This is just the undercoating of our painting, so don't worry too much about it, about perfect positioning. You can always fix it. As we come over here, we're going to add more burnt sienna to that color. And start bringing in more burnt sienna. Rinse off your brush. And go ahead and grab more burnt sienna. Add that down here. Add more burnt sienna. Add this over here. Grab some turquoise and burnt sienna. Wet your brush a little bit. Bring that over. And more burnt sienna. Down here. More burnt sienna. Bring that down here. Okay. Rinse it off. Okay, so now that our sky is dry, and if not, you can always blow dry it dry. We're gonna take, oh, we forgot to add our yellow. I'm gonna add some primary yellow. So I'm gonna switch paintbrushes. I'm gonna grab my size. Get that a little wet. Tap out the drips, grab some primary yellow. And a little bit of titanium white for coverage. And we're gonna bring that yellow over this way. And up. Actually, let's bring it over more. And up. And over. And out. And a little bit up here. And let's bring some over here. Okay, grab some orange. Put that into the yellow. Come over here. Pull that over. Get some of it up. Grab some magenta with some orange in it. And it turns into this beautiful pinky corally color. Add just a hair of white. I'm going to take this color. Put this above the yellow. Take some more of this color. Just gobble it on in. That's orange and medium magenta with a touch of white. Bring that over. Add a little bit more white. And bring that in. And over the yellow. Put it this way. Up here. And then this way. Okay, we're going to grab some more brilliant purple. Work this in over here. Rinse off your brush. Grab a little bit more brilliant purple. Work that in right here. Brilliant purple. I'm going to scoop that down over here. Work this into the pink. More brilliant purple. Work that into the pink. We're blending on the canvas now. That's what we're doing. Got some more purple. Right here. More purple. More purple. Okay, so now we're going to grab, rinse off your brush. So I added ultramarine blue. I'm going to take that and add some sky blue to it. Some more ultramarine blue to that. To get like a darker blue, I'm going to add that above this, for the purple. Just to tone it down a hair. And over. I'm going to bring this up over this way too. And then grab some more of that color. Just grab some clouds over here. Some clouds over here too. Okay, and then we're going to bring some of this down into the purple. Add some purple to this color. Take that between these two. Just to transition them a little bit easier. Okay, rinse that off. I'm going to grab a little bit more yellow with white. A little more white this time. Come in here. Just going to brighten some of this up a little bit. I'm going to grab a little bit of orange into that yellow and white. Then bring that over here between the pink and the yellow. And over. Okay. Grab that orange. I'm going to go under here too. Okay, rinse that off. So we're going to take some yellow, primary yellow, with some ultramarine blue. Mix those two together, get a deep green color. And then we're going to come over here. Start drawing in a little land line. That's good. We're going to take that same color and start tapping in some foliage over here. Making it taller as we come over. Gradually. That's primary yellow. Oops. Ultramarine. Okay, rinse that off. I'm going to grab raw sienna. I'm going to take some raw sienna and add this to the land over here. So from here, there might be a little bit of a beach. And then we're going to come over this way and paint this in. Okay, rinse off your brush. Okay, taking my size 4 silver brush still. We're gonna do some white with some raw umber. Raw sienna, sorry. Come over this, lighten this up a hair. It's our beach. Okay, rinse out your brush. We're going to highlight the trees. So we're going to take some primary yellow with some aqua. Make that bright green color. You're going to take that and just tap it over some of these trees over here. Leaving gaps, you don't want to highlight everything. Okay, rinse off your brush. Some turquoise with some ultramarine. Pull that down a little bit. Can I get a deeper blue shade? Bring that across. So we come down and up and down. Down. Then we're going to add some aqua, some turquoise, get a little bit lighter color. I'm going to go along the top over here. We're going to pull that down. More turquoise into that aqua. More aqua into that turquoise. Okay, so next we're going to take some aqua with some white, lighten it up a little bit. Come up over here. And our sun is going to be right up in here. So we're going to have this come down like this. Just a little bit, grab some turquoise into some of that color. Bring that turquoise up into that color. Then we're going to have this color fall over. We're going to have this over here fall over. I'm going to grab some more turquoise. And again, fall. Okay, grab that darker color, so that's turquoise and ultramarine. I'm going to come down here and add some more down here. Blend it in. Rinse off your brush. Grab some more of that color. Bring that over. Again, turquoise and ultramarine. Okay, then we're gonna have, actually grab some turquoise, aqua, grab that aqua color. Write that down again and up. And under, okay. Rinse off your brush. We're gonna have, grab some of this cool color again. Work it over here. Grab some more turquoise. Bring some turquoise into this. Okay, rinse that off. Grab some turquoise, burnt sienna. Ultramarine. Ultramarine. More turquoise. Rinse it out. And more turquoise. Just a little bit of aqua. See how it's turning more turquoise? With a little bit of white and a little bit of orange. A little bit more orange. More orange. I think we're going the wrong way. All right, let's grab some more ultramarine into that color. All right, rinse that off. Then we're going to take burnt sienna, ultramarine until it's more almost blue in shade, like deep down color. I'm going to bring that over here. Okay, and then bring that over here. Over here too. Get some water on your brush if you need to. Okay, and then rinse out your brush. We're going to switch brushes at this point. I'm going to grab my size 2 flat brush. Makes very skinny lines, so just use a brush that makes skinny lines. I'm going to grab some titanium white on the tip of my brush. I'm going to grab white with a little bit of turquoise, a little bit of ultramarine blue. Mix that up. A little bit more ultramarine. We want on the cooler side. More white. We're going to take this light blue color. I'm going to have some waves coming over this way. So one wave is going to start here. And you can't really go wrong. There's no wrong way to do this. Okay, and then here we're just going to have it come back up. Okay, and then here it's going to come back down. So just keep pulling it over. Down, and then we're going to stop here. Okay. Grab a little of this color on the tip of my brush. We're going to have a wave line coming from over here. Coming over. Got some more color. Just follow that. Grab some more color. We'll have another wave line coming from over here. Okay, grab some more color. We're gonna have another one over here, but this one's gonna be coming up over this way. And then we can have one coming over here. And then another one over here. This will be our shoreline one. And then we're gonna have a bunch of little seafoam over here. Maybe some seafoam up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my liner brush here. I'm gonna grab some liquid medium thinner and use water as well. Water's fine. Just grab that color, make sure it's an inky consistency. I'm gonna take some lines here. I want to pull them up to show that this water is lifting up here. And then we'll have some coming up here, coming down this way, coming up, down. And then when it gets out here, you know what, I'm gonna try something. I have a short liner brush. This is not a long brush. Okay, so I have a brush that looks like this, and it's just a short handle brush, and it's size 0 liner brush. I'm gonna get that wet, tap off the drips. I'm gonna dip into that color and see if this works better for control purposes. So I'm gonna have some lines over here. Oh yeah, this is much easier. Just a little bit shorter bristles. I don't like the short handle brushes personally, but some people do prefer them. So I'm gonna create some seafoam here. Then come back over here. We'll have some like things coming up. And then we're gonna go along the top of this. that color. And so when it gets to here, this is going to come out like the sea foam is going to be sideways, not up horizontal. It's going to be vertical. I mean horizontal. So you just want to grab your like sea foam. Make sure it's just horizontal. If you have it chunky, you can have it thin and line like mine, or make it a bit chunkier. There's different methods. I've already painted earlier this week. Hopefully I'll have that edit video up and available soon. But I'm doing a series on how to paint different types of ocean seascapes. And so this would actually be the second series, but I don't know when I'll be able to edit that video and get it out yet. But one of them was how to create these lines here. It's totally different, but I mean, it gets the same effect. Take a bit more white in that color. I want to lighten that up a little bit more because this will be more in the sun over here. And we're going to come over from over here. And then here, we have lots of sea foam, so. And these are going to be smaller sea foam. So we want them smaller than these ones here. Mix up your media. Okay, and then here. Also have a little bit of sea foam. A little bit different. Okay. What I want to do too, I grab some white. I'm going to make this sea foam a little bit thicker, so grab some more white into your sea foam color. Like a solid amount, we want a few shades lighter. I'm going to lighten up and thicken up this sea foam over here. Along this line here. And one way you can do that is by just not adding as much water, so keep your paint a little bit thicker. I mean, you're going to need some water, but try not to add too much water. Okay, and then we can also add in some more water to that color. And then just add in some striations here, some little wave lines. And then we're going to add in more wave lines here. So add more water to that color. Okay, take that color again, and we're gonna add that over here. Okay, rinse off the brush, put that aside for a minute. And we're gonna grab our size 2 flat brush here, clean it off. Grab some of this white, titanium white, into that blue color. And we're gonna light up just some of this. Especially the tops areas. Like that. Then come down and over. Highlight the peak area of the sea wave. Okay, rinse that off. Oh, actually, we can do some of these here too. Rinse it off. Take some ultramarine. Grab the ultramarine and just go under the main wave. To create a shadow. Grab ultramarine again, come into this one. Okay, and then a little more ultramarine. Going under this one. A little bit more ultramarine. Create a thin line here. We don't need a thick one. I'm gonna cruise under that. Rinse that off. Okay, so now we need to add some splashes to our waves. Before we do that too, I want to add some palm trees in the background. So I'm going to take some turquoise with some primary yellow. Take this green, and we're going to add in a palm tree up here. And then a palm tree over here. Palm tree here, maybe a palm tree over this way. And over here. Okay, rinse it off. Now I'm going to take mop brushes here. Take some titanium white. Add some splashes in here. And just tap that over there. Grab some ultramarine blue with some titanium white. To this cool blue color. I want a little lighter here. For this like light blue violet color. Just gonna add it underneath here. That should make it look more 3D, hopefully. I'm gonna take this, rinse it out. So I've got another little guy right here. We're gonna grab some primary yellow, some aqua with some primary yellow. Make a very bright green with a little bit of white in it. A little more yellow. We're gonna take this and highlight these trees a little bit more, especially around the sun. It'll get weaker as it gets away from the sun. Rinse that off too. Your size 2 flat brush again, so we get our size 2 again. And we're gonna pick and choose some random spots here. So we got some ultramarine blue. And we're gonna go under the ones opposing the sun's view. More ultramarine. More ultramarine. And even a little bit out here. Can add some. You know, sometimes it's just really these little details that make all the difference between a good painting and a great painting. So if you're having trouble, you can't figure out what it is, what's wrong with your painting. Sometimes it's just the shadows and highlights. Or in this case, reflection and refraction. Let me grab a little white and change up this little line here. Got some more ultramarine. We'll just put it under there. And over here. Okay, so let's add some more white to our brush. Actually, grab this light blue color. And we're just gonna go along the shore here, go along the shoreline. Grab some water on your brush if you're getting a thick line like me. We need that a lot thinner. Try that line out. Another line out here. Have some lines like that. We can even have some extra lines coming up on the shore. So even something like that. I think we're good. I think we need to continue working on our sky. So under here, well, let's add in our sun. So take some titanium white with some yellow, just a touch of yellow. Our sun is going to be like right here. Try to bring some yellow out in here. Spread that out slightly. We're gonna grab a little bit more white, plop that sun in there. Because of that sun, you have to create a glare. So take that light yellow color. We're gonna have a glare coming straight down here. So right off of the waves. A little bit off at the top of this guy here. And then even, if you think it'll reach, maybe over here. It's more white and yellow. I think Make sure it's just under here. We're gonna grab some orange, some yellow. Then we're actually just gonna add in a little bit of orange down here and over here. Here's a little white in there. Okay, and then we're gonna add some of this orange over here. This water and over here. And we can even go with the orange and magenta. Take that pink color. I mean, just add a touch of it here and there. Not much of it. Too much would be overkill, I think, anyway. Come back into the sky with this color. And then we need to brighten it up a bit. So take some more magenta with some orange. See that bright pink color? It's beautiful. Next thing I want to do is take titanium white, some orange, and some magenta, and mix them together. Take that, we're just going to add a little bit of a haze to these clouds over here. Let's rinse that off. We're just going to add a little bit of white to some orange and a little bit of yellow. I'm just going to take that and also add that to here. And then we're going to take that and add this color to here. We want to lighten this up just a hair. Okay, we're all done. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe and to like this video. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, bye.